this one for the lights? You know?
Go ahead. Alright.
If you want to walk around.
Yep.
Why are they not working here? I got the lights.
They're working.
So we got a 100-foot
Bumper line.
inch bumper line. And this side. How many gallons, do you know?
1,500.
1,500 gallons of water? And we got a 100-foot 500.
150.
Oh, 150.
200.
And then 200. So this one's basically like just a normal engine. You hook this up to this. Same with these. And then this compartment, y'all got just more gear and step chocks.
Yep.
Since y'all had to block the and then this, y'all got the there we go. These are just like engine 2's. There we go. These are just like how engine 2 has it. You know? Yeah, you gotta click it. So then you got 30 on your air, just like the regular engines.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. And then this compartment
Generator.
is your generator. Now y'all don't run electric tools off this truck, do you?
Sometimes, if we have to, we would.
And then whenever it goes black like that, you just click it.
Okay.
So that way. So and then this y'all can hook a hose up to.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Fuel
this,
hose.
So this is a small little ladder compartment on this side.
On this truck, that's going to be your holding tank.
Oh. With the ladders in it, or
No,
what?
ladders are going to be on the side.
Oh, so it's different on this one than it is on engine 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I did not know that.
Yep. It's got like a holding tank.
And then this compartment is this is how y'all use to fill that tank. So I'm guessing you'll go to the closest hydrant, whatever's closest to the fire, and use it. This kind of helps, I guess.
Fills the tank.
Fills it.
Gets it past the truck.
So y'all connect this to this and
Yes.
that to that, and just and then just tarps, like
Salvage
the
covers.
engine and the ladder. And then this is
It's another part of the fuel system for the
and
tank.
you got a water extinguisher.
Water can.
And then how many feet of hose up there?
It's a 1,000, and then you got 1,000 foot of 5-inch.
Whoa.
You got 300, and then 250.
So this compartment, y'all got a
Fan.
power fan? Or
No,
is
it's gas.
it gas powered.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is a hose kind of
Clamp.
clamp, and then just more nozzles.
Yep.
And then this is the ladder.
Extension ladder.
And then this is just attic ladder.
Attic ladder, and then your roof ladder is on the extension ladder part.
And then these two,
Suction lines.
these are the suction hose that I guess you'll use to help.
Yeah, you can suck it out of the lake,
Yeah.
or you can suck it out of the tank.
Okay. What do y'all use for sucking stuff out? Do y'all just use
The
one of
pump.
the ponds?
Oh yeah, yeah. You can use the lake or the pond.
And I'm guessing we got both. And then this has just got some small hand tools.
Yep. And
Chief said
appliances.
y'all are still trying to get some lights put on this and stuff.
Yep.
So, and then this side's just basically the same. And y'all got a big old cannon up there, too. I noticed. That's a big cannon. And y'all can see up to, looks like 5. 3 back here and
Yep. Seating
Yeah.
for 5. Seating for 5.
how many, so y'all have y'all put this into service already?
Yes.
Okay, but y'all still got to get equipment